The question was about the water coming out of these 3 holes in this tank of water. So the first thing you need to know is that the speed of the water coming out depends on how far below the depth of the water it is. And so we can just assume it's just like work energy and an object falls at height to calculate the initial velocity of the water depending on the height. That's what I'm calling the height of the water. Then once you do that, it's normal projectile motion, so it depends on the initial velocity and how high it is above the ground. We can use the vertical to find the time based on how high it is above the ground, and then plug that into the x equation, and we get this is our generic expression where h is the depth below the water and y is the position above the ground. If I plug in my values for x1, I get 2s times the square root of 3. That's this one down here. If I plug in for x2, the middle one, I get 4s, which is greater than 2 times square root of 3. And then the last one, I get also 2 times square root of 3. So the middle one would go the farthest, and the other two would go the same distance. Did you get it right? It was a good question. I hope that was hard.